Alright, Osborns, we're going to work on Jake going in his place too, so we're just going to use the treats. We're going to do the pager. Jake, in your place. Down. All through. Now we're just going to release him. So yeah, I think you guys should get him like a cot or something. You could practice making him get on in the house. In your place. Not just a blanket, not just a towel on the ground. Good. Not in his crate. I guess you could do it with a crate. All through. Better to have a cot though. In your place. You could even put it outside. Jake. Good. Down. He's a greedy one, this one. All through. So I'm holding the pager down. In your place. All through. Same thing. I'm going to hold the pager down. In your place. All through. In your place. Down. So even from right there, it's still a tap of the foot. It was very, very subtle, but he saw that. Bye, guys.